Tonight we are at the dollar section, and all that I can say is it was not giving. Those pillows are cute down below, but I feel like the ones that I got from the Dollar Plus section of the Dollar Tree are cuter. Now, I do have to say that most of this was pretty picked over, but there really wasn't anything that caught my eye. There wasn't anything that I knew that I had to have. And I feel like a couple of the things that are over here are reoccurring items. So I'm not sure if they were just waiting for a restock, but all of the items on this side are items that have been reoccurring items in this section. And I think that they should probably just go ahead and take these straps out because I'm not quite sure if anyone's actually buying them. I did get a brush before from the dollar section at Target, and it is a pretty good brush for dishes. And I just don't have that many different size beds to need a labeler. This is kind of cute, but it doesn't really match my style at home. I definitely did get this mirror. It's an LED mirror, and then it also has a phone holder on it. I didn't need another mirror, but I also don't have one that has an LED light that works. And right now I'm using my ring light for a light when I am in the mirror. I wish that they had just a little bit more in this section tonight, but that's okay. They did have this really pretty breadboard, which I feel like could be a pretty universal item, but it just wasn't something that I needed, so this was not an item that I picked up. I am going to be starting my sourdough starter soon, so maybe that is something that will be useful to me in the future. I totally thought that this was the egg holder that the sign said, but it was a butter dish. I did pick up cash some of the bath toys over here. They have the faucet covers, the bath toy bags, a soap dish holder, and then some like rubber duckies, and they had some that were Valentine's Day themed. I saw this and I just wasn't sure if maybe it was supposed to be a part of something, but I feel like the acrylic organization items weren't really hitting in this section. There were a few of those left that are good for like a vanity, but that was also just not something that I needed. This is an electric makeup brush cleaner, which is definitely kind of cool, but it wasn't something that I needed. And then they also had a brush set for $3. They definitely were stocked on salt and pepper shakers, and then those glass navy blue jars. The glass spray bottles are nice, and then they did have a produce container. Even though this might have been a letdown, Target had good things.